Yes, good afternoon. Okay, so today we are going to learn the next practical that is related to surveying in the branch of civil engineering. That is the study of GPS and its accessories. So study of GPS. So what is GPS? GPS is the global positioning system. GPS is the global positioning system. So nowadays we all are the civilian people are using the GPS technology. So the main role of the electronic people in the making of GPS device is a very important role of electronics engineer. So you all are the electronics engineer, and your very important role while the making the GPS device, global positioning system, is the measuring system. So for that, whatever device is there, GPS device, that I will show you later how this device looks. So that I will show you. But for that device by make and made by the electronics people, and the major applications in the field of civil engineering. So with the collaboration of like civil engineer and electronics engineer, we can work for the any applications in the society. So so what is GPS, that we will study first, and then we will see the actual GPS and their accessories for the working. So just a minute. Okay, so here GPS observations are based on the basic principle of trial iteration. So the GPS observations, so I will tell you what observations we will take. So we are taking the latitude, longitude and altitude on the surface of Earth. So GPS is nothing but it is a global positioning system. Global, G for global, P for positioning, and S for system. So global positioning system, it means on the globe we have to find our position on the globe, म्हणजे पृथ्वीवरती या वर्ल्ड वरती आपली पोझिशन आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करण्याची जी काय सिस्टम आहे, that system is nothing but the global positioning system. GPS is nothing but on the globe we have to find our position. So how we can find our position? How I can coordinate? I am sitting in Delhi, I am sitting in the China, any city of the China. How we can find? So for that GPS device is there, and GPS device is what that GPS device is doing. The GPS device is giving the latitude, longitude and altitude. It means if this is the Earth is divided in two sectors, or we can say two equator. The one is the north equator and another is the east equator. This is north pole, this is the east pole. So या अर्थ वरती, या पृथ्वीवरती दोन इक्वेटर ज्यावेळी मध्ये पृथ्वी ज्यावेळी डिवाइड झालेले आहे, आणि आपलं लोकेशन, सपोज वी आर ऍट दिस पॉइंट, so this is the distance from east pole and north pole. This is our location. So that is the latitude. Latitude is in the direction of measured from the east pole. Longitude is measured from the north pole, and altitude means from the sea level. समुद्र सपाटी पासून आपण किती उंचीवरती आहोत. So these three coordinates given by the GPS device. See, the instrument is made by the electronics people and the device application for the civil engineering. So latitude, so this data given by the civil engineer, and how coordinates measured, that made or made by the